Hey there, React enthusiasts. Welcome back to another enlightening session of our ReactJS tutorial series. I'm Shani Sinojiya, and today we're delving deep into the useEffect hook. This hook is a game changer when it comes to managing side effects and lifecycle behavior within our functional components. So, whether you're new to hooks or just looking to level up your React skills, you're in for a treat. Agenda. Greater than understanding the purpose and power of useEffect. Greater than implementing useEffect for various scenarios. Greater than managing cleanup with useEffect. Greater than real-world example. Building a dynamic timer application. Before we dive into the implementation, let's grasp the significance of the useEffect hook. This hook is your Swiss Army knife for handling side effects and interacting with the component's lifecycle events. Unlike class components, functional components can now take control of component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount all in one place. Let's start exploring. Using the useEffect hook is a breeze. We import it from the React library, and then the magic begins. Let's take a look at an example that fetches data from an API when the component mounts. Not only can useEffect handle the mounting and updating of components, but it also provides a way to clean up after ourselves. This is particularly useful for scenarios like unsubscribing from event listeners or canceling network requests. Let's see how we can do that. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice and create a dynamic timer app that showcases the power of the useEffect hook. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the useEffect hook. You've gained the tools to manage side effects, handle component lifecycle events, and even clean up after yourself. I hope you're as excited as I am about the possibilities this hook brings. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting ReactJS tutorials in the future. Happy coding!